Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to cash out and withdraw from crypto.com to your bank. Now step 1 is just go to the crypto.com application, and once you're logged in, now this video is just for educational purpose. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now step 1 is once you are at the home page of the application, so just click on these three lines from the upper left corner, and from this just click on the second option, which is cash. Once you click on cash, so let it load, and you will see this interface like open a USD account. Now USD account is basically a local account which allows you to transfer your USD or your cryptocurrencies to your local bank account. So as you can read the benefits as well, zero deposit fees, like deposit and withdraw USD via Swift, and use your bank account to transfer funds. Now just click on agree and continue, and after that just make sure to give them all the information regarding your face, your SSN, your all the details that they are asking for, and like within 24 to 48 hours your account will be created. And once your USD account is created and linked to the crypto.com, so after that you can just click on the accounts option just alongside the home, and from this option you can just click on crypto. As we are dealing crypto for now, just click on crypto and you will see all these options like buy, sell, pay and transfer. So just click on transfer option, and once you click on transfer just click on withdraw. And once you click on withdraw, along with all these options, crypto.com user, crypto.com exchange, crypto.com one chain and external wallet, so you will see another option like transfer to your local bank. So just click on that option, and once you click on that option, so you'll see a similar option like this one, like wallet address add. So just add your bank details, and once you add all those bank details, after that you will be able to transfer your crypto to your bank from crypto.com. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.